Hey everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Hema, and in today's video I thought I would give you guys a flip through and a little review of this big little book of planner stickers by Pipsticks and Workman. The book is called So Many Planner Stickers, and for good reason, because it has the cutest collection of 2600 stickers across 50 different categories designed specifically for use in a planner. It is quite petite in size, as you can see. It's almost the size of my palm, so you could carry it around if you wanted to. It's not very big or bulky. The book has 50 pages, and since each page is also a category in itself, you could say that it has 50 categories, and there are 52 stickers per page per category, which is plenty of stickers. The sticker book is by Pipsticks and Workman. Pipsticks is a sticker brand and Workman I think is a publishing brand. I'm not sure, so don't take my word for it, but both these brands have collaborated to publish a range of products, one of which is this sticker book. The printed price on the book is $13, which if you convert exactly into INR comes to around 957 rupees, I think, somewhere around that figure. But I purchased it from Amazon India at 718 rupees. The retail price of this book keeps changing on Amazon. Personally, I think a book of 2600 stickers for 718 bucks is an amazing deal. Although I agree that spending that much money on planner stickers is a very questionable choice in the first place, but I'm the queen of making questionable choices, and planner stickers are very important to me. Another thing that I want to quickly address is that this book smells amazing. It smells like a goddamn candy shop, and I'm not even kidding. I can't really describe the smell, but it reminds me of cotton candy or something. Like, I bought 2 copies of this book, and both my copies that I have purchased have this smell. So maybe it's all the copies that smell this good, or is it just mine? If you purchase this book, please comment down below and let me know if your copy also smells like a candy shop. Like, god, I love the smell. I actually bought 2 copies of this book because firstly, clearly I'm a maniac. Secondly, because I didn't know if its price would change in the future, and I found the price that I was getting it at to be really attractive. I mean, there are stickers in here for every imaginable purpose and occasion. Like, this is a one-stop shop in itself. You don't need to buy any other stickers for your planner if you have this book. So I see it as a good investment for my planner. Plus, I'm crazy about stickers, and this is like my own little holy grail. Now, diving inside the book, there's a little note here from the company. On the very first page here, you have some vacation stickers. So there's a swimsuit with colorful stripes on it, mountains, a drink in a coconut, which is so cute. It makes me want to go to the beach right now. A do not disturb door sign, a sunscreen, a map, and flip-flops. What I love about these stickers is that there are different color variants of the same image. So if you're one of those people who have planner spreads dedicated to a single color for each week or month, then this caters to that need as well, which I think is so thoughtful. This book was definitely designed by a planner nerd, which makes me love it even more. Also, the color variations make sure that the stickers are not repetitive even though it's the same image, so I really appreciate that too. At the back of each page, they've given a little note or like a suggestion as to where and how you can use these stickers. Then there are these travel stickers. There's an airplane, a shirt which says pack, a tote bag, a trolley bag, a pair of pants, and a mini bus that says road trip. Like I said, it caters to every occasion or event that you can possibly imagine. They're really versatile, so you could use these for marking work trips or business trips, as well as leisure trips or road trips, or even small weekend getaways. Next, we have these self-care, self-pampering stickers. They're so cute. There's bunny slippers. This here says unplug, some crystals, relax, a bathtub that says self-care, and these candles that say zen out. They're so pretty, so aesthetic. I'm already relaxed just looking at them. Next, there are these best friend stickers. There's coffee chat, catch up, BFF, cocktails, movies, this little chat icon, which I guess is gossiping. Then there's this friendship bracelet that says hanging with my bestie, which is so adorable. I already miss my besties just looking at it. Next is movie night or like a Netflix and chill night. So there's popcorn, a TV that says binge, 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 a remote that says chill, and some popcorn kernel. If I had the sticker book during the lockdown, this page would be empty by now. Then there are stickers for all kinds of celebrations. So there's fireworks, foil balloons, and helium balloons, which are all again in different colors to match your spreads. Then there are my favorite birthday stickers. You could use these to mark your own birthday or other people's birthdays. There are candles, a birthday cake, the sticker that just says happy birthday, these funky glasses that say party like it's your birthday, and a banner that says it's a party. In the same theme, there's a whole page of gift stickers so you can remind yourself to buy gifts for your loved ones. Next, there's date night, again one of my favorites. This one has lips on it, there's hearts, a rose, a strawberry with chocolate coating that is so cute, and champagne glasses and a lipstick. Then there's girls' night out or girls' night in. So we have party stickers like this one says girls' night. There's a cosmopolitan that says happy hour, a mirror ball or a disco ball, and heels for girls' night out. There's also a couch that says night in, which you could use for a sleepover or something. Then there's a mixed bag of a lot of occasions. There's wedding with a wedding cake, engagement, invitation, a bouquet, bachelorette, anniversary, and bridal shower. Below that, there's this section for baby shower and just some kids stuff which you can use for any occasion like a kid's birthday party or your friends having a baby or something. Next, there are these don't forget stickers. There's a little post-it note on a clipboard that says don't forget, as well as this little string tied around the finger to indicate a reminder for something. Next, there are stickers for hair and nail appointments, which are so functional and practical. I love them. There's a little nail polish bottle that says nail appointment, and this little bobby pin that says hair if you just want to get your hair done or blow dried or washed, and these scissors which say haircut. Next, there are stickers for indicating doctors and dentist appointments, as well as these little banners that just say appointment for any other purpose, and these sick day stickers. Next, there's payday stickers. There are 28 of these payday stickers, 12 of the bill dues and 12 of the rent dues. Then there are general money related stickers to indicate savings like with the piggy bank, or spendings like with the dollar sign on a sticky note. You can also use these for reminders to withdraw cash from the ATM or pay your credit card bill or any other kind of bank work. Then there are work stickers. There are a lot of laptops. Some of them say work late, some of them don't, so you can use them for any other purpose like a video conference or online classes or seminars and stuff. They're again pretty versatile. And then there are some banners that just say work. Then there are my favorite coffee stickers. There's a tea bag, mugs of tea or coffee or hot chocolate, or you can use these for any beverage really. Frappuccinos and to-go coffee cups. You can use these to just decorate or indicate productivity tasks or a coffee run. Then there's these stickers for day off and vacations. So there's a rainbow that says day off, as well as banners. Thank God it's Friday, out of office, and vacation. Then there's a bunch of these really cool like retro vintage phones. There's landline phones and these flip phones which give me very 90s vibes. You can get these to mark call reminders. Some of them say call, some of them don't, so you can use them for other stuff as well. Then there are meeting and conference stickers. These are again in different colors and variations. There's a notepad that says meeting, then there's these round stickers as well as banners in different colors so your planner doesn't look monotonous. Next, there are these nerdy books and study stickers. There are highlighters, folders, glasses, notebooks, and this book that says book club. Workout stickers, I love these. There are sports shoes and dumbbells that say workout, a cycle and a yoga mat which covers all sorts of exercise. On the next page there are water sippers and duffel bags in different colors. Again, very versatile if you could use these for hydration reminders, packing reminders, or for any kind of outdoor activities like trekking or camping. Then there are these rows of breakfast, lunch and dinner stickers in different fonts and colors, as well as these round stickers that say breakfast date, lunch date and dinner date. Next, there's a whole page dedicated to breakfast and brunch stickers. There's an avocado, eggs, bacon, smoothies and juice and what looks like pancakes, I think, and some of them say breakfast and some of them say brunch and some of them are just images. Next, there's a whole page of lunch stickers. Again, some of them say lunch and some of them don't. Same with the dinner stickers. Then there are shopping stickers. There's a cute grocery bag, a shopping cart, as well as a reusable plastic bag to indicate shopping, and these cute little Chinese takeout cartons for the days that you're ordering in. Next, there are a lot of calendars and planners as well as round stickers that say plan in different colors. Next are the cleaning stickers. These are so adorable. There's a little broom and a dustpan, bucket, gloves and a cleaning spray, a floor scrubber and a vacuum cleaner that says tidy up. Again, some of these say clean and some don't say anything at all. Then there are laundry stickers. These are also so cute. There's a laundry basket, clothes hanging and a hanger for the laundry reminders, an iron, as well as these clean folded shirts that say pick up dry cleaning. So thoughtful and so functional. Then there are these craft supply stickers. There's pens, scissors, paper clips, sketch pens and stickers. Next are these little chat bubbles that say quirky exclamations like I got off bed for this, can't wait, here goes nothing, adulting is hard, that's a no-go, whatever, yeah, no, finally, epic win, it is what it is, crushed it, mic drop, nailed it, epic fail, shenanigans, say what and no. Next are again some of my favorite stickers. These are little like adulting rewards and medals for adulting accomplishments. So there's didn't overspend, appreciated the sunset, called an old friend, dance champ, filed taxes, voted, resisted social media, watched the sunrise, said no, cleaned out my inbox, took a walk, kept my cool, made an overdue phone call, recycled, went to bed early and cleaned my closet. Next are the good day stickers and bad day stickers. This is such a good concept. I love it. So for the good day stickers, there's a lucky penny that says feeling lucky, a rainbow that says best day ever, an ice cream that says sprinkles on top, a smiley face saying walking on sunshine, and a t-shirt with the slogan today is your day. In a similar vein, there are bad day stickers. So there's fallen ice cream, broken heart, and a broken lipstick that says bad day on them. Sad dark clouds, a mirror that says bad hair day, and this glass that says definitely half empty. These are so cute and so aptly signify a bad day. I love them. Next, there are period stickers. There's a tub of chocolate ice cream, a half-eaten chocolate, panties, an alarm clock, as well as these little red flowers. These are so cute and you can discreetly mark your periods or ovulation days with these. Next, there are the weather stickers. So there's cloudy, sunny, thunderstorms, rain, and snow. Again, some of the suns and clouds have a smiley face, and some are just blank. Then there are season stickers. So on the top left, there's autumn, top right is winter, bottom left is summer, and bottom right is spring. Next, there's a whole page just full of rainbows because who can have enough rainbows really, right? Next, there are these checklist stickers in different colors. Each individual sticker has 6 check boxes. You can stick them vertically in your planner to write your checklist, and beside it there's these check boxes with a tick mark. You can use these to indicate a task accomplished in your planner by sticking it beside a task you were supposed to do and have completed. Again, these are in 6 different colors. Next are the hydration stickers, again in 6 different colors. Each individual sticker has 8 drops to indicate 8 glasses of water in the day. But you can cut off an extra 8th drop and use these as a weekly water tracker as well. There's 52 of these, so it's perfect for an entire year. Next, there's a page full of arrows to emphasize or point to an important task or event in your planner. There's several small ones in 10 different colors as well as 2 long ones. Next are these cancelled stickers to mark cancelled events or tasks. Stars that you can use to mark finished tasks or accomplishments or a job well done. Little smiley and sad faces in so many different colors that you can use as a mood tracker. Some yay stickers. Next, there's this page full of heart stickers and corner stickers in 7 different patterns and colors. You can use these for your own color coding system. Then the last page is again the same colors and patterns, but these are just bars, and again you can use these for your own color coding system. So if you're in a school or university, you can assign each color to a subject or mark lectures or assignment dues or exams. If you're working, then you can use each color for specific tasks and you can do anything with it really. The stickers are glossy and I love glossy stickers. They are cut perfectly, not a single sticker is misaligned or cut weirdly. They are bright but at the same time not tacky. They're not an eyesore. They will brighten up the planner but at the same time not stand out too much that they become a distraction, because at the end of the day it's a planner, not a scrapbook. It can be pretty but you still need to be able to read what's written in it. And that brings us to the end of this flip through video. If you liked the video or found it useful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you know of any other sticker collections for planners, please do let me know in the comments down below, because I'm always on the lookout for planner stickers and I can never have enough of them. And that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.